This is our first match for the second conference. Alam namin, inaabangan nyo na to. And eto na, we are on. We have a new home here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. I'm sure mas madali hong mapuntahan ng karamihan po sa atin. And our game days are every Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. We start off our first match at 2. And we have 3 matches each game day. So punong-puno yan.
Oh, sulit din ang pagpunta
Sulit ang
mo.
pagpunta. And you've got a lot of new faces that you will be seeing play for the very first time here, because this is actually the open conference. Hindi na ito yung ating regular school-based conference. So these are really experienced and strong teams going for the championship. Good serve again. Ito na, lumayo na ng husto ang Philippine Army. Shakey's. If it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Rachel with a serve. Parang may spotlight ni Rachel.
Oh, sakto yung
Sakto
ilaw.
yung ilaw sa kanya. This is long from Galido.
Now, a lot of errors plaguing the Philippine Navy.
Rachel with a serve. This one is good. Another service ace. Let's check on that later on. How many service aces does the Philippine Army have? Because I think that's the biggest factor. That's why the Navy down by 11 points. Let's listen in.
Nag-alangan kayo sa isa't isa sa receiving. No? At hindi ba tayo kumuha sa bola? Nawala yung ano ba? Makita naman yung service kung saan papunta. Lapitan yun na. Ha? Agresibo tayo kumuha ng bola. Huwag natin pabayaan. At saka yung mga second goal. Habol-habol tayo. Tulong tayo. Miss-receive na nga. Pinabayaan pa natin kasama natin. Wala, tingin tayo. Tingnan nyo. Ituloy na, nandun na, sumunod na, tapos pinabayaan. Ituloy nyo, baka abutin nyo pa.
Alright, look at this serve from Rachel. Good angle, and yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Nene Ibanez. Alam nyo na kung saan dadalhin yung bola, ihatid nyo na. Huwag yung magugulat kayo kung kailan malapit na, dun kayo gagalaw. So, malayo pa lang, tinitingnan nyo na para maganda yung maihatid. Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Nene.
So, importante yung marunong kang magbasa. And, chinek ko yung stats, and looking at it, itong Philippine Army, out of the 20 points that they have, 7 is actually on service aces.
Wow! That's a huge number. 7 points from service aces, and Michelle Carolino getting that point, and sinasabi niya kay Tina Salak masyadong dikit sa net. But still, she found a way to get it through and get the point. 21-19, the Philippine Army with a comfortable lead here in the first set. Setting the pace right now. Nice serve. Ayan na naman.
It's a strong serve. So, nahihirapan itong Philippine Navy.
Regina this time gets the point. If they have a good reception, they've got good attackers right there. Plus Joan Botorcarpio, who's one of our best setters. Alarca with a dig. Set up again, this time. Blocked. Jennifer hits the lines.
Arasan, I remember her from college, like one of the best attackers that I've seen. Ang ganda ng control sa bola, and something that we're seeing now.
Good block there from Carpio. Middle attack for Prochina, straight into the defense of Alarca.
Carolino signaling and talking to the official.
First,
Ball was good.
First referee, Jess Villarreal, saying that ball touched the Taraflex already. Good effort though from Michelle. Japan came in for that middle attack. Let's see what they do this time. Tina. Oh!
Nobody was there. Bunag and Salak, miscommunication. Ang akala niya Salak, papasok si Bunag for a running attack.
But the violation called was a two-touch violation. So,
Double whammy.
oh, good save there from the Navy. Now we have a good rally going on. Cochina keeping it alive. Siatan with a save. Outside to Carolino. Good defense by Laborte. Let's see. This time it's Bunag.
Oh, the ball is alive.
Oh, Carpio straight into the net.
Well, credit to Laborte, who's doing an excellent job for the Philippine Navy and really keeping the balls alive.
Well, Carpio, as we know, is the setter, but she definitely can hit because she sometimes switches as an attacker, but that time
not successful.
Uh-huh.
But that's something that we see from Carpio talaga. One of the advantages that she has is that she can attack. But nagkakagulo ng konti yung Philippine Army.
Torres with a poor reception, resulting into a point for the Navy. 14-22. Botor Carpio with a serve. Oh, nice set. Nice set. Kitang-kita mo na eh.
And that was Michelle Carolino flying to the net. So, how difficult is it to stop that?
Look at that. Perfect timing, avoiding the block. Two defenders of the Navy not able to get to the ball on time. Oh, Cochina still able to get that ball across.
Oh!
This time, Mayet Carolino gives the Philippine Army set point here in the opening set. Joan Bunag, top spin serve, dug up by Daphne Mata. This one is outside, no touch from the block. First set going to the Philippine Army, 25-14. And tong Navy medyo huli na nung nag-try silang humabolan dito sa first set.
Well, they were able to, as we take a look at our shake and play here.
That was the last point actually. Hitting it too long was the Philippine Navy, 25-14. First set going to the Army. We'll be right back for the second set after this very short break.